Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Nina on Easter. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I'll start with his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. Now let's draw his body, his arms. I draw his hand like this. He holds a decorated egg. Very good! Finally, I draw his legs. He is sitting on the floor. Now let's draw a cute basket next to it. Then 2 Easter eggs in it. Last but not least, let's draw Nina to the other side. I start with her eyes. I draw her nose and her smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of her head and her hair. She is wearing a funny hat. Then I continue with her body. She is holding her arms like this. Finally, I draw her legs. They are sitting on the grass. They seem very excited. Very good!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I colored the basket with light brown. Then I used pink for the bows. For the Easter eggs, I used the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, Now let's color Pocoyo. I use a little cream for his skin. Then light red for his mouth. I color his outfit blue. Yellow. Let's color Nina. I use cream for her skin. Then light red for her mouth. Then I color her hair red. For her outfit, I use this green marker. Finally, add a little green for the floor. And light blue in the background. I love it!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.